Hello everyone, welcome to this channel where we openly talk about many marketing topics that are rarely mentioned. We are very excited to be here again with a new video. If this is the first time you see one of these videos, please subscribe and give it a like. That motivates us a lot to continue showing everyone better information about digital marketing and online business. Today we are very pleased to present you dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Which business is better? The internet offers a multitude of ways to earn money. Among the people who are dedicated to getting sales, there are two broad categories. These are either dropshipping or affiliates. The vast majority of people who have internet stores do so under one of these two modalities. Both methods have similarities and also differences. In general, they are two different business models, but they have common bases. Many entrepreneurs use dropshipping or affiliates to earn money online when they do not offer services. In addition, today there are many tools that allow you to create a website to sell products by dropshipping or affiliates in just a few steps and without programming knowledge. The difficult thing is then to get clients, to know how to manage both so that our project interests people and gives us profitability. Dropshipping or affiliates. Before listing and comparing the two online business models to see which is better, whether dropshipping or affiliates, it is interesting to briefly describe and comment on their similarities. Before continuing, let us give you a special mention. This channel is sponsored by Fiverr. Fiverr is the largest website for freelancers in the world. Here, just by entering the search engine, you will have hundreds of experts from all over the world at your disposal in topics such as setting up online stores for dropshipping, web page design, video editing and optimization, or the subject that occurs to you in the service that you need. Do you need to set up your Shopify or Ecommerce online store for dropshipping? Or do you urgently need a landing page and don't know how to do it? Don't suffer anymore trying to create it yourself. Leave it to an expert. Go to Fiverr. From $5 and up, you can find someone to help you with it. We mean it when we tell you that it is one of the best tools you will ever have. Find. In the description of this video, you will find the link that will take you to Fiverr. Let's start with the video. On the one hand, dropshipping is an online store in which we do not need to have inventory or physical stock. We can offer the supplier's products for sale, and once the sale is made, the supplier itself will send the product to the customer. On the other hand, affiliate marketing consists of the promotion of products or services of a web company through links, and the profits that are obtained come from the commissions of the sales of those digital products or services. In both cases, the entrepreneur plays the role of commission seller, with notable differences that we will analyze below. In addition, other of its common points is that both businesses can be created easily and without a high investment. Dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Which business is better? Dropshipping advantages. The main advantage of dropshipping is that it allows you to create a store and develop a personal brand without having to invest in inventory. With this business model, we will be the image that sells to the customer, even if we do not have the stock or take care of the shipment. However, if we have control over prices, we can carry out promotions and, in general, manage the store as our own. With the tools that exist today, it is also very easy to automate the process of importing products so that we can keep them updated and avoid the enormous waste of time that doing it manually would entail. By setting the prices yourself, you can achieve quite large profit margins. However, we must bear in mind that we have to put an attractive price to attract customers. Many other stores will be able to offer our same products. That is where the cunning of the seller comes into play to attract the attention of potential customers. Normally, a good dropshipping strategy needs a good investment in social ads to achieve the objectives. Some negatives about dropshipping. With dropshipping, you develop your own brand, attract buyers to your business, and if you are moderately skilled, you will be able to get stable sales and live off the internet. The main drawback of this business model is that being responsible for sales, you will have to manage the support and return service for customers, in addition to managing orders, etc. In other words, you have to do all the work that would be done in your own online store, but with the comfort and low risk of not having to invest in inventory. It is also true that when offering products from another company, we are sometimes subject to the availability that they offer us, and we cannot always have the products that interest us available to customers. Sometimes, unfortunately, it could happen with the item that most sales is generating us. Advantages of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the quintessential method of generating passive income. To set up a business of this style, it is only necessary to have a website. That is, buy a domain, and rent hosting. Once we have our page, we can promote it with paid advertising or use SEO to get sales through visits. The main advantages of affiliate marketing then reside in the fact that you can create a project at little cost, which makes it very easy to be profitable, and that you don't have to deal with customer support or orders. We will link our page with the seller's website in such a way that we will receive a commission for each sale. We are therefore in some way commercial of that company. Another advantage would be that we do not have to limit ourselves to a single affiliate program. We can have links on our website from different stores and even make comparisons. In fact, the main attraction of niche pages is to create valuable content that attracts buyers. Tutorials and comparisons are the most used examples for affiliate pages for this reason. Negative aspects of affiliate marketing. The main problem with affiliate marketing is that neither the prices, nor the offers, nor the shipment of the products, nor anything depends on us. In other words, we are totally subject to what the company that offers us the commission system wants to do. The affiliate systems and the commissions earned with them can also be changed by the company at any time. Generally, you will earn less money than if you were to sell on your own. In addition, it will be this company that will pay us the total commissions, establishing the terms and conditions that they wish. Dropshipping or affiliates, which is better? So, if you are thinking about whether to create an online dropshipping or affiliate business, it is best to consider which model best suits your goals. To really say if one is better than another would be very subjective. Dropshipping would be better considering that it allows you to create your own brand, have control over what you offer and how you offer it, and have a more direct relationship with the customer. The profit margin is also higher. So if you're serious about internet business, it's a very good investment for which you don't need a lot of capital. However, if your goal is to earn money passively, without being directly responsible for the product you promote, and without having to worry as much about other issues such as taxes and others, affiliate marketing is surely your thing. The best way to approach it would be to think about whether your intention is to create your own store with all the responsibility that this entails, but also the benefits, or to be a commission salesperson for other people's stores, also with its own advantages and disadvantages. And that's all for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. We remind you that if you need help with your Shopify dropshipping page or any other platform, on Fiverr you can choose from hundreds of freelancers specialized in design and configuration of online stores, as well as help with your videos for advertisements, content creation for social networks, or any other service you can think of. In Fiverr you will surely find the solution. We hope this information has been very useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. See you in a next video. Bye.